Hashtag number 1. 1987 Ford F-150 5.0 V8 Lariat XLT cab, $5,000, Albuquerque, New Mexico. This 1987 Ford F-150 Lariat XLT cab is a clean, well-kept example of the final years of the classic bullnose generation. Powered by the dependable 5.0-liter V8 and backed by an automatic transmission, it offers smooth performance for everyday cruising. The seller highlights a straight, rust-free body, attractive natural patina, fresh fluids, and a comfortable interior in good condition. The Lariat trim adds desirable factory comfort features, making this truck more appealing than a standard work model. With 143,667 miles and a clean title, this two-wheel drive pickup represents an affordable classic that is ready to enjoy, while still offering room for tasteful restoration or preservation. Number 2. 1989 Dodge Dakota Sport Convertible 4-wheel drive, $2,200, Everett, Washington. This 1989 Dodge Dakota Sport Convertible is one of the rarest American pickups of its era. Built by American Sunroof Corporation, only about 2,500 were produced, making it highly collectible today. Equipped with a 3.9-liter V6 automatic transmission, 4-wheel drive, and only 137,000 miles, it has excellent potential despite needing a fuel pump, new tires, and towing. Having spent its life in Washington state with a clean title, this rare Dakota is an excellent restoration candidate for collectors who appreciate uncommon factory specialty trucks. Number 3. 1981 Toyota Pickup Manual Rear-Wheel Drive, 3/4-ton long bed, $4,500, Joshua Tree. California Toyota's early pickups earned their reputation for outstanding reliability, and this 1981 example demonstrates why. It features a manual transmission, rear-wheel drive, a rebuilt engine completed in 2015, updated suspension, rebuilt carburetor, new starter, and a new battery installed in 2026. Although the odometer no longer works, the estimated 180,000 miles are supported by consistent maintenance. With no leaks and a clean title, this long bed remains an excellent choice for buyers seeking a dependable vintage Japanese pickup that can still serve as a reliable driver. Number 4. 1982 Ford F-250, $2,500. Oregon City. Oregon, this 1982 Ford F-250 offers impressive value thanks to its upgraded 351 Windsor V8 swap paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, featuring the desirable granny low gear. Despite messy wiring from the engine conversion, the truck runs and drives well. Most gauges function properly, and the clean title adds confidence. The battery draw issue has already been addressed with a cutoff switch, and the truck includes a new battery. At this price, it is an attractive work truck or budget classic with plenty of mechanical potential. Number 5. 1986 Toyota Pickup Flatbed, $4,500, Erie, Colorado. This 1986 Toyota pickup combines Toyota's legendary 22R 4-cylinder engine with a practical custom flatbed featuring wood side rails. Equipped with a 4-speed manual transmission and showing 246,000 miles, it remains rust-free and benefits from a new battery and starter. The clean title and simple mechanical design make it ideal for ranch work, landscaping, or weekend hauling. Vintage Toyota trucks continue to increase in popularity because of their durability and ease of maintenance. Number 6. 1988 Ford F-150 Custom OBS Truck, $2,500. Dublin, Pleasanton, and Livermore, California. Powered by Ford's highly respected 4.9-liter inline six-cylinder engine, this 1988 F-150 is known for durability and long service life. The truck has received extensive maintenance, including new tires, fuel pumps, brakes, and electrical components. Features such as dual fuel tanks, air conditioning, cruise control, and an 8-foot bed enhance practicality. Although the heater core, rear fuel tank pump, air conditioning, and cruise control require attention, the truck remains a solid workhorse with documented repairs and a clean title. Number 7. 1988 Ford Ranger Super Cab two-wheel drive, $505, Los Angeles, California. Offered at an extremely low price, this 1988 Ford Ranger Super Cab is primarily a parts truck or restoration project. The engine reportedly remains strong despite more than 200,000 miles, but the automatic transmission has failed completely. Rust, front-end damage, and a worn interior reduce its overall condition, yet the seller emphasizes its reliability before the transmission failure. Buyers with access to replacement drivetrain components could revive this affordable compact pickup. Number 8. 1970 Chevrolet C10 Short Bed Project, $3,850, Bernalillo, New Mexico. The 1970 Chevrolet C10 Short Bed is among the most desirable classic pickups on today's collector market. This project truck carries a clean title and remains more dented than rusty, an important advantage for restoration. Equipped with a manual transmission and inline six-cylinder engine, it reportedly ran before being parked. Genuine shortbed C10 models continue to appreciate in value, that making this an appealing opportunity for enthusiasts seeking a worthwhile restoration. Number 9. 1979 GMC Sierra Grande 2500, $3,800. Stanwood, Washington. This original 1979 GMC Sierra Grande has had only 3 owners and retains much of its factory character. Powered by a V8 engine with a manual transmission, it has accumulated 127,000 miles while remaining a running and driving classic. Collector license plates suggest it has been appreciated as a historic vehicle. Sierra Grande models offered upgraded trim over standard GMC pickups, making surviving original examples increasingly desirable among collectors. Number 10. 1970 Ford F-100, $5,000, Orting, Washington. Ford's bump-side trucks remain some of the most recognizable classic pickups ever built. This 1970 F-100 features a straight body, manual transmission, V8 power, and a clean title. Although it requires a clutch rebuild, battery replacement, and rust repair, it continues to run and drive. Original trim pieces are included, adding value for future restoration. Its honest condition makes it an appealing classic that can be enjoyed while gradually improving it. Number 11. 1966 Ford F-100, $1,200, Des Moines, Iowa. This affordable 1966 Ford F-100 has received significant mechanical investment. The rebuilt 390 cubic inch V8 has less than 300 miles since completion. while new ignition components, carburetor, fuel system, brakes, radiator, heater core, and exhaust greatly improve reliability. Cosmetic issues such as a cracked windshield and disconnected odometer remain, but the clean Iowa title and solid drivetrain make this an outstanding value for someone seeking a restoration project, with much of the expensive mechanical work already completed. Number 12, 1968 Ford F100 Ranger, $3,200, Concord, Pleasant Hill, and Martinez, California. Finished in original paint with beautiful natural patina, this 1968 Ford F100 Ranger is a genuine California truck with desirable black license plates. It is equipped with a 360 cubic inch V8 and manual transmission. While the seller believes the truck has only about 54,000 original miles, it has not been started for 2 years, so refreshing the fuel system is recommended. Original, rust-free California trucks like this remain highly sought after by collectors and custom builders alike. Number 13, 1957 Ford F350 Flatbed, $3,990, Condon, Oregon. This 1957 Ford F350 Flatbed is a solid working classic that still runs and drives. Numerous recent maintenance items include a new fuel tank, radiator, alternator, master cylinder, ignition components, thermostat, and cooling system parts. While it currently leaks antifreeze from either the intake or head gasket, the truck's original paint, clean title, and permanent registration make it a worthwhile candidate for restoration or continued light-duty use. Vintage heavy-duty Ford trucks are becoming increasingly difficult to find in operating condition. Number 14, 1966 Ford F100, $7,900, Walnut Creek, California. This mostly original 1966 Ford F100 is a well-preserved California survivor, powered by the dependable 300 cubic inch inline 6-cylinder engine, paired with a 3-speed column shift manual transmission. Recent upgrades include a new clutch, fuel system, radiator, and carburetor, while the truck retains its desirable original black California license plates. Minor rust is present in the driver's floor and front bed area, but overall it remains a solid, highly usable classic registered through May 2027. Number 15, 1948 International KB1, $3,800, Oregon City, Oregon. The 1948 International KB1 represents one of the most iconic post-war American pickups. This complete truck features attractive natural patina, a manual transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a clean Oregon title. Although the odometer is inoperative, the truck appears complete and offers an excellent foundation for either preservation or restoration. Early international pickups have developed a loyal following because they are considerably less common than comparable Ford or Chevrolet models. Number 16, 1965 Ford F100, $6,500, Federal Way, Washington. This one family-owned 1965 Ford F100 is an exceptionally honest survivor. Powered by a 352 cubic inch V8 with a 3-speed column shift manual transmission, it reportedly has only 87,470 original miles. The truck benefits from documented steering repairs, a newer radiator, water pump, and upgraded front disc brakes, while the seller believes the engine was rebuilt at approximately 60,000 miles. With extensive maintenance records, mostly original condition, and strong mechanicals, this F100 is an excellent example of a well-preserved classic pickup that is ready to enjoy or preserve for future generations.